In your Porsline Pro account, you can limit each respondent to just one submission per device. To do this, enable the feature called One Submission per Device. Once it's active, if someone tries to open the form again from the same browser, they'll see this message: "You've already submitted this form. Submitting again is not allowed." To turn it on, go to the Settings phase, open Advanced Settings, and activate One Submission per Device. There's also another practical option: Flag as Spam. If you don't want to block repeated responses entirely, you can still identify them. This feature allows multiple submissions, however, it marks responses from the same device as duplicates. In the results table, they'll appear with a spam flag, allowing you to review or filter them later. Keep in mind that both of these features work based on the browser's cache. If the respondent clears their cache or opens the link in a different browser or device, they may be able to submit again. If you want stricter control, so each respondent can only submit once, regardless of cache, use Respondent Authentication, available in the Enterprise plan. With authentication, access to the form is restricted through one of three methods: a custom code, an OTP via SMS, or an email login. To learn more, check out our video tutorial on Respondent Authentication in Porsline Enterprise. As always, if you need help, our support team is here to assist you.